Welcome to Sara Cooks for You. Today we are making a beef steak that you can make as a sizzler, or you can make it on a grill pan and make it like a steak. So this is a very simple and an amazing recipe, and you can make it as a big steak, or you can also cut them into strips and marinate it. So for this I've used about 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, soya sauce about 2.5 tablespoon, salt 1 teaspoon, pepper 1 teaspoon, and lemon juice of half a lemon, a big lemon. You can replace the chili garlic sauce with any other sauce like peri peri or any sriracha sauce as well. Let's add all the ingredients into a big bowl. The chili garlic sauce adds a bit of sweetness and a bit of spiciness to the marinade. I've also added 1 teaspoon of mustard paste. This adds to the taste of this marinade. I've used about 1 kilo of beef steaks for this. I've got about 5 to 6 steaks in 1 kilo of beef. We're using a meat mallet. I'm going to just pound the meat and so that it becomes of even thickness, and just drizzle a bit of honey. This is optional. If in case you don't want to add the honey, you can leave it. So let's start marinating the beef pieces in this marinade. It's really nice. Since it's liquidy, it gets absorbed into the beef really well. And I generally marinate all my meats for at least 24 hours, or if not, at least overnight. So that makes the meat really tender and succulent. You can see I have not added any tenderizer to this beef, but it gets perfectly done. So I marinated it overnight, and I'm using an electric grill for this recipe today. Let's start with the smaller pieces. I had a few smaller steaks and a few bigger ones. So I'm just trying with the smaller steaks first, and this can be served for the kids. So I'm just grilling the smaller ones first. Grill it for about 10 minutes on each side till it gets done, and then we'll gently flip it over and cook it on the other side. We need to keep repeating this till the steaks are completely cooked. Just brush some butter over the steaks because we've not added any kind of fat to this marinade. So we'll just brush a bit of butter and press it down onto your grill so that they get those nice charred marks on the steaks. You can alter the marinade according to your taste. You can add more chilies, or if you more salt, or it's up to you. You can add some more pepper as well. I've tried this recipe even with peri peri and sriracha sauce, and it tasted amazing. This is the rest of the marinade that was left. If it's a bit thick, you can add some water to it and a tablespoon of butter to make the sauce for the sizzler. So I'm going to continue making these steaks till they are completely done. And in the meantime, for the sauce, I'm going to add this leftover marinade, and to this I'm adding a tablespoon of butter, and we'll cook this till it gets thick to a sauce like consistency. Until the sauce is done, we'll make the rest of the steaks. I added the bigger pieces now. They are nicely done, and this is another method. You can use a grill pan. It gets perfectly cooked, and you can serve this as a steak without the sauce over it. So if you want to serve it as a sizzler, you need to heat your sizzler plate for at least 15 to 20 minutes and make it really hot, and then add in your beef steak pieces. And along with this, you can serve anything like you can have mashed potatoes, roasted or baked vegetables, or just boiled vegetables. And the sauce that we made from the marinade, we are going to drizzle over the beef steak so that it sizzles, and your beef steak is ready. It's a really very simple and an amazing recipe.